Wow, how amazing it was to come out of that box. So easy.
Yep. Batteries are already in it and everything. Wow.
Whoa.
It rolled away. Good job. You want this? Oh, look. We got one more over here. You want to do this one? Here, let's see what this one is. Yeah, here, give it. Here, let's. Yeah, you ready? Let's flip it over. Here. Here. Pull. Jinx is helping. That's it. Pull. That's it. Tear it open. Come on, you can do it. Here. Caitlin. Jinx. Say, cat. Hey, let's see. What's in the box? Oh, yeah. Hey, let's turn it around. Can you open the lid? Pick it up. Pick the lid up. Come on. Caitlin, let's see. Oh, good job.
Yay!
Good job. What's in here? What is it? What are they? Caitlin, look. They're books. Strawberry shortcake books. Princess, Pony Pals, Sweet Friends, and Pet Pals. Oh. And then you have, what else is here? 2 Elmos. My favorite words with Elmo and ABC Fun. Wow. Look at that. Wow, we'll have to read these tonight for bedtime. Good job. So here, look at Dada. Look at Dada. Caleb, look at Dada. Say Merry Christmas. Say I love Santa. Right? I love Santa. Say cat. Cat. Say yeah.